Hi, I'm Raphaël Garnier speaking to you from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, where I work closely with the team at Primo Sourcing. If you are a brand owner, a sourcing manager, or a product-based entrepreneur and you're thinking about producing in Vietnam, or just you are tired of issues with your current supplier, this may be exactly what you need. We are not a factory, we are not a middleman, we are your sourcing and producing partner, fully integrated, fully local, and fully transparent. Let's be honest, sourcing in Asia sounds like a great idea, until I start costing your time, energy, and trust. Most companies we speak to have faced the same pain point. Suppliers who overpromise and disappear after the deposit, poor communication and misalignment, no one off the ground to check what's actually happening, quality that's inconsistent, timelines that keep slipping, and paperwork you don't even understand. Is that sound familiar? We get it. That's exactly why Primo Sourcing was created. We handle everything from your sourcing to shipping. We find and vet reliable factories. We help you with design, development, or improvement of your product. We follow up on production on site step by step, including real photo and video updates. We manage the final inspection, packing, and all logistics, including customs and shipping to your warehouse. Whether it's fashion, accessories, consumer goods, DTC products, and many others, we cover the entire supply chain. You stay in control. We handle the groundwork. This is how we work step by step. First, we take the time to understand what you need, your product, your goals, and your priorities. Then we search and select a reliable supplier that fit with your project. We send you a sample, you test them, you approve them, and we confirm everything with the factory. We follow the production in real time while it's happening, not afterward. And finally, we handle the shipping, customs, and delivery until the goods arrive at your warehouse. Each step is clear, tracked, and handled directly by our team. Let me talk about a real client. Thibaut is a French entrepreneur who wanted to produce vegan sneakers. He was working with a supplier in Portugal, but costs were too high and delays were too frequent. We helped him move production to Vietnam. He got access to certified vegan material. We followed the entire production inside the factory and we managed all the testing and European compliance for him. The result? He saved 28% on production, got delivery 3 weeks faster, and his products were fully compliant and ready to sell on Amazon and Zalando. That's not a theory, that's exactly what we do every day. At Primo Sourcing, we have built a system that gives you the best of both sides. You have a local Vietnamese team that experience fast and present every day in the factories, and you also have a European contact, that's me, someone who understands your expectation and how you like to work. My role is simple, I speak your language, I protect your interest, and I make sure you always know what's going on, without needing to be here. That's why many clients keep working with us. We give you a clear update, no extra fees, no confusion, we answer quickly, and we don't leave you waiting. We adapt to your way of working and your speed. We speak French and English, so it's easy to communicate. And above all, we are local. We are in the factories every day following your production. You don't need to travel to Vietnam to keep control. That's what we are here for. Now let me show you how we work together, step by step, depending on what you need. If you are just starting out of testing an ID, our Smart package is a perfect fit. We help you find a supplier, get first quotes, and support you with the early communication, not long-term commitment. If you are ready to move forward with the sample and production, the Scale Ready package gives you full support, from negotiation to production monitoring and quality check, all the way to the port. And if you need a full support from A to Z, our full control package includes everything. Contract review, quality control at every step, international shipping, custom handling and detailed reports. It's like having your own local team without the cost of building one. If you're considering Vietnam, even if it's just an idea, let's talk. We have prepared a special offer just for the viewers of this video. You will find the detail in the description below, along with a link to book a free discovery call. No pressure, no commitment, just a clear advice and a real conversation. Thanks for watching and hopefully talk soon.